Good morning. Today I'm Dr. Madhuri Chatterjee, English Department, BBD Government College, Chimanpura. We had been doing a couple of classes from past 15-16 days on grammar, and on in that I have introduced you to sentences and sentence patterns and sentence formation. And so we move on a little and give a little change, and I go to some comprehension which you will be having in your exams. And for today, I have chosen a comprehension by Kathleen O'Meara. It's a small little poem, basically a few lines, and it is in fact telling us about the situation in which we all are caught. It's the poem is talking about the pandemic, uh, what you call COVID-19, and the entire world is facing almost similar situations. People have been asked to stay indoors because of lockdown, and now the lockdowns have started opening up. But in the period of time while people are there in the houses, what they do or what they did or what they could have done, that is something we would be reading in the poem. And the title of the poem is "And People Stayed Home." It was written, of course, in 1869 on the occasion of some other pandemic, but it suits what the situation which we are also facing now, which is COVID 19. I read the poem first and then I explain. And people stayed home and read books and listened and rested and exercised and made art and played and learned new ways of being and stopped and listened deeper. Someone meditated, someone prayed, someone danced, someone met their shadow, and people began to think differently. And people healed, and in the absence of people who live in ignorant ways, dangerous, meaningless, heartless, even the earth began to heal. And when the danger ended and people found each other, and they made new choices and dreamed of new visions and created new ways of life, and healed the earth completely, just as they were healed themselves. Now, this is the poem before you, and I start explaining. The title of the poem is "And People Stayed Home." That is, people stayed inside the houses, inside the homes. And when they were inside the homes, what did they do? Some people read books, and some people listened. Listened, of course, you understand, Sunnah, and rested, and took some rest, and exercised, and did some movement, and made art. Now, what is meaning of made art? That is, they painted, or they cooked, or they cleaned, or they, you know, indulged in music or some other activities because you were not supposed to go outside. And they played and learned new ways of being. We are not always supposed to do run, 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 run with life, and sometimes it is required for us to pause and think about life and think about what exactly we are doing on this world, what exactly we are supposed to do, and this is the new learning which we need to do, and this is what is meant in the poem, and learned new ways of being, and stopped and listened deeper. Someone meditated. Meditators is dhyan karna, and just quieten down, calm down, pause, and a kind of mindfulness which is being practiced. That is meditation. Someone prayed, of course, you understand, pray karna. Someone danced. Someone met their shadow, and people began to think differently. And when you are inside your houses for 3 months, and we are not supposed to meet the outside world, and the whole and the entire world has paused, and the activities around have all ceased, that is the time when people start to think differently, and people in the process of doing that start healing. They become better, they start healing. And in the absence of people who lived in ignorant ways, and there are people who choose dangerous profession, meaningless profession, heartless things which has got no meaning, that is something. And who lived in ignorant is agyani, ignorant is you lack knowledge. So you are ignorant about what you are exactly doing on this earth, what exactly you're supposed to do, what is the role of a student, what is the role of a parent, what is the role of each of us. So when they started knowing about those things, the earth began to heal. And when the danger ended and people found each other, as the lockdown is opening, people have made choices that we are supposed to wear the mask all the time. When we are moving, we have to keep certain distances, we have to keep our hands sanitized, we have to wash our hands. So these are the choices we have made during pandemic. We dreamed of new visions. We think of saving the earth. We think of not cutting the trees. We think of making the earth more green. And this, in the process of doing that, and when we start doing that, the earth will heal. The earth will start healing just as they healed themselves. So this is a beautiful little comprehension for you, a comprehensive poem for you. And I have a small exercises because the comprehension is always followed by some questions. And what are the questions? Why did the people stay at home? So I've given you the reasons. What is the reason why you are also staying at home? What did the people do sitting at home? घर बैठ के आप लोगों ने क्या क्या किया? What did the people do in this poem when you read it? Third question, which danger is being mentioned here? Why are the people sitting at home? Why are they not stepping out? What is the danger they will face if they step out? That is the next question. And then you have how did people began to heal? What did they do that they started healing? And the last question, what are the activities which are being discussed in the poem? What did they do? They danced, they prayed, they meditated, they sang, they cooked, or whatever it is. So these are the activities. And then you have to give the meaning of the following words. First is vision, second is ignorant, third is grieved, fourth heartless, fifth meditate. All right. So these are the 5 words. You look up in the dictionary. I had already explained you in the course of explaining the poem to you, but you can always have a look at the dictionary and make sentences and also do these questions. So this could be a kind of a 20 marks question. All right. Thank you so much.